Ever wondered which AI skill will make you stand out in 2024? As AI technology evolves, so do the skills that set you apart. Are you ready to dive into the high-value skills that could shape your future career? In this video, we'll explore the top AI skills to master this year. From machine learning to ethical AI practices, find out what it takes to become a pro in the AI world. Let's get started. Number 1. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, ML, and deep learning are at the forefront of AI technology, transforming how we interact with the digital world. Machine learning involves teaching computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. Instead of being programmed with specific instructions for every task, ML algorithms improve their performance by learning from experience. For example, ML powers recommendation systems like those used by Netflix or Amazon, helping you discover new content or products based on your preferences. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex data patterns. These networks are inspired by the human brain's structure and are especially powerful in tasks such as image and speech recognition. For instance, deep learning algorithms can identify objects in photos, translate languages in real time, or even generate creative content like art or music. To excel in ML and deep learning, you'll need a strong foundation in programming languages like Python or R. You should also become familiar with libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, which provide the tools to build and train complex models. Online courses and hands-on projects can help you develop practical skills and apply what you've learned to real-world problems. Number 2. Natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is a crucial technology in the world of AI, enabling computers to understand and interact with human language. Essentially, NLP bridges the gap between human communication and machine understanding. Imagine teaching a computer to read, interpret, and generate text or speech just like we do. This involves a blend of computational linguistics, machine learning, and deep learning models. NLP has numerous applications that touch our daily lives. It powers chatbots that provide customer support, translation apps that break down language barriers, and sentiment analysis tools that gauge public opinion on social media. For instance, when you use a voice assistant to set reminders or ask for weather updates, NLP is working behind the scenes to process your request and provide a relevant response. To excel in NLP, you'll need a solid foundation in both linguistics and algorithms. Start by learning about the basic concepts of language processing and how machines can analyze text. Essential tools include libraries like NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, and SpaCy for Python. These libraries provide pre-built functions and models to help with tasks such as tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition. Begin with online courses or tutorials that introduce you to NLP concepts and gradually work on projects like building a simple chatbot or text analyzer. As you gain experience, you'll be able to handle more complex NLP tasks and contribute to advancements in how machines understand human language. Number 3. Computer vision. Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. This technology allows machines to see and make sense of what they are observing. For example, in autonomous vehicles, computer vision helps the car recognize road signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles, enabling safe navigation without human intervention. Facial recognition systems use computer vision to identify and verify individuals, which is commonly used for security and authentication purposes. In healthcare, computer vision aids in diagnostic imaging by analyzing medical images to detect conditions like tumors or fractures. To build expertise in computer vision, start by learning about image processing techniques and familiarizing yourself with libraries like OpenCV and TensorFlow. These libraries provide tools and functions to manipulate and analyze visual data. Begin with online courses or tutorials that introduce these concepts and engage in hands-on projects such as creating an image classifier or developing an object detection system. By mastering computer vision, you can contribute to developing technologies that enhance our ability to interact with and understand the visual world. Number 4. Robotics. Robotics is a dynamic field that combines engineering, programming, and AI to create a machine capable of performing tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. As AI becomes more integrated into robotics, these machines are not only following pre-programmed instructions, but are also learning and adapting to new situations. In manufacturing, robots handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed, increasing productivity and safety. In healthcare, surgical robots assist doctors with delicate procedures, offering greater accuracy and reducing recovery times. Unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, are used for everything from surveillance to package delivery, showcasing the versatility of robotics in various industries. To excel in robotics, you'll need a solid understanding of mechanical and electrical engineering principles. Programming skills are crucial, as robots must be instructed on how to interact with their environment. Familiarity with robotics platforms like the Robot Operating System, ROS, can also be beneficial. Starting with beginner-friendly robotics kits and online tutorials can help you grasp the basics. As you progress, working on projects such as creating a robot that can navigate obstacles or perform simple tasks will enhance your skills and prepare you for more advanced applications in the field. Robotics is a constantly evolving area with endless possibilities, making it an exciting career choice. Number 5. AI Cloud Services. AI cloud services provide powerful AI capabilities through cloud-based platforms, making it easier for developers to integrate advanced AI features into their applications without starting from scratch. Major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offer a range of AI tools and services that can be accessed via the cloud. These services cover a broad spectrum of functionalities, from speech recognition and language analysis to image processing and machine learning model deployment. For example, AWS offers services like Amazon Lex for building conversational interfaces and Amazon Rekognition for analyzing images and videos. Similarly, Google Cloud provides tools like AutoML for custom machine learning models and Cloud Translation for real-time language translation. To leverage AI cloud services effectively, you'll need to understand how these platforms work and how to integrate their tools into your projects. Start by exploring the documentation and tutorials provided by these cloud providers. Many of them offer free tiers or trial versions, allowing you to experiment with their services and build practical skills. Familiarize yourself with the specific tools and APIs offered by each platform, and practice by developing small projects that utilize these services. As you gain expertise, you'll be able to build sophisticated applications that harness the power of AI with minimal effort. So, which AI skill will you focus on mastering this year? Each of these high-value skills can open doors to exciting career opportunities and advancements in technology. Dive into machine learning, NLP, computer vision, or any other area that piques your interest, and start building your expertise today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.